Christmas. Tomorrow is Christmas, I believe. So, in the van, done some carpet lining. So we've trimmed this with carpet. Trying to get the bedboards fitted. So I'm trying to get these done. Only reason being, they are on the floor at the moment in the van, and they're getting kicked, getting stood on, everything else. So a bit hard really to set you up, but what I'll do is I've got a pile of screws on the floor. I've got screws on the floor, I've got screwdrivers, impacts, so we will try and get these bedboards together. Bear with me and I'll film what I can and show you what I can. So we've got all this stuff now, which I have no idea. I was supposed to have watched a video on how to do this, and I didn't. The only reason I didn't is because I didn't expect to get this far. So you're supposed to do that. I just put some tape to show where the edge of the steel is. So I'd say I'm liking this. So fitted the gas shocks on the small one, and because they set basically, but it's like a bifold. So if you imagine that's the bed, so when it lies flat, the little one goes up to a right angle, then the big one goes up that way. Problem is, because I've not got them two fixed together, the rams are too much, so the pressure in them is too great at the moment. What I don't want to do is release any pressure from them until I've got the bed boards fixed together. So I've now got to try and get the big board up onto here and try and screw them two together. Then I've got to screw this one back in place where that one lifts up that way, and yeah, bit of a nightmare at the moment, but we'll get there. Got to try and turn this round now, so don't know if it's easier. where you need 2 people. Or you need 3 people. Well, at least you can see how big the bed is. So what I have to try and do now is bring this forward, put the 2 ends together so I can hopefully screw them 2 together. And yeah, not quite sure what you're going to see at the moment, so I will pause for now. Hi guys. not sure what you can see from right back there, but yeah, I've got a piano hinge basically fixing these 2 together, so that's what I'm currently trying to put in place. Boy, oh boy. You need multiple hands or multiple people to help. So that's both boards fixed together. Piano hinge across the back here. And we've got the gas struts on that one. Now I've got to get the gas struts on this one. So same again, we've got an idea. I'll find my masking tape, insulation tape. Where's that gone? Out on the head. No sense, no feeling. Where's that gone? Masking tape. Yeah, guys. I'm gonna have to let them down. I'd say it should pull down. It's not, so obviously there's too much tension there on the gas struts. So what I will do for now is I will probably end this, and because it's getting dark, I will end this now and get a small Allen key so I can undo these and let little bit of air out, try them, little bit of air, try it. So yeah, that's it guys. I will be back tomorrow by the look of it, Christmas Day. So cheers guys. Hi guys, and welcome back. So yesterday we got the gas struts in. So I put the gas struts in, still got the prop holding everything up. Don't know why I'm holding out now. It's under its own steam now. So So yeah, we've got gas struts holding it up. The problem we've got is the struts have come and they got too much gas in. So I have been told that you're supposed to crack them open with a, when I find that, so Allen key, and basically just crack them open. Been told to do like a second, turn it off, second, turn it off. So what I'm gonna do is I will do the top boards first, and then so I will go around, do a second and give it a try, and then I'll have a second, try that, and then the same with the back one, because it's a bifolding system. This could go horribly wrong and I could be ordering new gas struts, because if you let too much air, nitrogen out, there's no way of putting it back in. So bear with me. I'd rather go slowly. Most people are watching this going, no, you're supposed to let 4 or 5 seconds out. I don't want to go too much, so we'll just continue. Quick burst and then stop. Right, so we've got some movement on that one now. So that, if you look, that is starting to, so basically if that is starting to come down. Probably still a little bit too much, but what I'll do is I'll do the back ones, get them so I've got some movement, and then see how we go. Right, I've got them freed off so I can move them. Don't know whether it's enough. I've been using paper towel only because they are nitrogen filled and they have got oil in them. So if you don't want to get anything on your carpet lining or your head lining, then yeah, just put a little bit paper towel around it. So we will give it a go. That worked. So yeah, that seems to be working. I say I'll try it again. It's just getting, because my bed's so basically you've got that one goes up, then that one goes up. So because it's like a bifold, so yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy with that. I'm not going to take any more out at the moment, only because I just want to see. I want to try it, and I say just make sure. I'd rather have it too stiff, because the thing is, once I've got the weight of a mattress up there, once I've got like bedding up there, I still want it to be able to go up. So at the moment, I'm happy with that, and yeah, it works. One good thing. So the plan now is, because I've got the boards off the floor, so I can now start looking at carpet lining. I've got all the carpet lining for the sides of the van, so I can look at doing that. This was the main one, get these up out the way. Yeah, just so one, I can get the feel of how big it is inside like the bedroom area. I can order a mattress now. I've not got a mattress, so any recommendations, any cheap ones, any good ones, so I can look at getting a mattress. And yeah, it's one more job ticked off, so we'll get that job ticked off the list, and yeah, I'm happy. I am. So what I'll do is I'll pull this down. You guys can then see how much room there is above in the bed area, and I will get everything. I'm heading out looking at furniture board and everything tomorrow. Furniture board designs, stuff like that for the kitchen area. So it might take you long, I will see. But cheers guys, thanks very much for watching. I hope everybody's had a great Christmas and all the best for the new year. Hopefully this video will be out tonight. I will try and get a couple of videos done before New Year. Just now I'm creating space. Now I'm getting space in the van. We've got to get the carpet lining done, got to get wires fitted, front seats out, front carpet out, get the wires through to underneath the dash, underneath into the engine bay, sorry, pick up the feed from the battery. I am having a hook up under the bonnet, so I've got to get the wires in for that. Also, I've got to start looking at hot water. I've got the hot water system, need to know where it's going, start making brackets to fix that in. January is mad. January is manic for me at the moment, so don't know what I'm going to get done in January. I've got till the 4th, so hopefully tomorrow, wasted day driving to Cardiff, which is, let's say, 3.5 hours, 7 hours, hopefully 7 hours round trip. But yeah, it needs doing. So that's it guys, thanks very much for watching. If you subscribed, thank you, can't thank you enough. If you're enjoying it, give me a thumbs up. If you're not, give me a thumbs down. Either way, any response is better than no response. So yeah, cheers guys, and I will catch you later.